Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Filter Cleanse. What is GLB Filter Cleanse? GLB Filter Cleanse is a multi-purpose granular formulation that cleans and unclogs filters from grease, oils, and scale. This product works great on all types of swimming pool filters, sand, cartridge, or DE filters. Filter Cleanse is a unique combination of acids and detergents, which allows you to remove all filter contaminants with one product. Product benefits. Use routinely once every month or two during the season to maintain efficient operation. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, saltwater chlorine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizing systems. Usage directions. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.